In Mac it's very easy to check the size of a file or a folder. In Finder, click on an item to select it. If the preview panel is enabled, you can see the file size and some other information about the file. You can show or hide the preview panel from the View menu. Another option is to use a keyboard shortcut to get information. Select a file or folder, then use the shortcut Command I. You can easily see the size as well as other important information. You can check this information for any file or folder. Close the information window when you're finished. You can also hold the Command key, then click on multiple items to select them together. Use the Command I shortcut to view information about all of those items. Or use the shortcut option Command I to see a single window with the combined information for all of the selected files. This is a good way to see the total size of several files together.